Welcome to Auto Resolve. In this guide, I will show you how to fix Discord mic not working with the complete 2025 fix guide.
Fix 1. Select the correct input device. Step 1. Open Discord, click Settings. Step 2. Go to Voice and Video. Step 3. Under Input Device, choose your microphone, not default. Step 4. Speak and check the input volume bar. Fix 2. Check Windows microphone settings. Step 1. Right. Click the speaker icon, Sound Settings. Step 2. Scroll to Input, select the correct mic. Step 3. Click Device Properties and turn on Allow apps to use microphone. Step 4. Set input volume to 80-100%. Fix 3. Give Discord microphone permission Windows. Step 1. Go to Settings, Privacy, Microphone. Step 2. Turn on microphone access. Step 3. Turn on Allow apps to access microphone. Mac. Step 1. Go to System Settings, Privacy and Security, Microphone. Step 2. Turn on microphone permission for Discord. Fix 4. Disable exclusive mode, Windows. Step 1. Open Sound Settings, More Sound Settings. Step 2. Right-click your mic properties. Step 3. Go to Advanced. Step 4. Uncheck both exclusive mode options. Step 5. Restart Discord. Fix 5. Check input sensitivity. Step 1. In Discord, voice and video. Step 2. Scroll to input sensitivity. Step 3. Turn off automatically determine. Step 4. Adjust the slider until your voice is detected.